हमें अपने लाइफ के फर्स्ट जनरली याद रहते हैं, वेदर इट्स योर फर्स्ट लव, योर फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल और कॉलेज, योर फर्स्ट स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्पिटिशन दैट यू took part in. You remember a lot of it. But क्या आपने कभी सोचा है अपने लास्ट्स के बारे में? When was the last time you shared tiffin with your mates? When was the last time you took part in a sports event? Generally, लाइफ के सबसे बड़े moments लास्ट होते हैं. But the ironic thing is, we don't realize the importance of those moments until they're actually gone. आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कैसे हम अपने लास्ट को पहचान के, उन्हें जी के और उनसे सीख के अपने लाइफ को और मीनिंगफुल और इम्पैक्टफुल बना सकते हैं. हम ये ज़्यादातर सोचते हैं ये जो मोमेंट हम अभी जी रहे हैं ये कभी ना कभी रिपीट ज़रूर होएगा. बी इट हैविंग चाय विद योर फ्रेंड्स, डूइंग रैंडम with them, another game of gully cricket, another discussion with them. लेकिन एक दिन बिना बताए ये सब खत्म हो जाता है and all you're left wondering is where did those moments go? And that was actually the last. जब मैं स्कूल में था और जब भी रिसेस होती थी, I used to run to the grounds and eat food with my friends. Starting from LKG up to 12th standard. There came a last for that as well. If I think about it seriously, those moments are never going to return again. I'm never going to be able to eat food with my friends on the same school ground. Okay, one practical advice for this. Every day or every week, whatever suits you, journal to yourself. What if the moment I'm living right now is the last of its kind? Would I manage it differently? Would I react to it differently? ये कुछ ज़्यादा heavy prompt नहीं है, but it's going to help you think through moments and not regret later. हम सबको अपने first याद होते हैं, our first bike ride, our first job, our first sports win, क्योंकि it's very exciting to us. But at the same time, lasts provide us with more learning opportunities. Lasts हमें closure देते हैं. They help us learn gratitude, and they also help us learn that nothing's going to last forever, so we should make the most of what we have. For example, your last day of school. Whenever you have your last working day of school, तुम सबको पता है वो last working day है, and you've attended classes from the very start and you didn't really enjoy them. But जब तुम्हें पता होता है कि this is the last class that you're going to attend in the school ever, तो you're bound to get nostalgic. Something that you hated your entire school life, you suddenly become kind of excited for it, kind of nostalgic for it, because you know this is going to happen for the very last time. जब भी याद है the final day of my school, the final working day of our school, उसके बाद भी हम स्कूल गए थे एग्जाम्स देने के लिए, but that was like practically the final working day of school, and the entire class had a cumulative mutual unspoken agreement that this is the last we are ever going to be in this class, be sitting in this class as students, so we'll make the most of it. जब भी तुम कोई milestone hit करो, अपने आप से एक सवाल पूछो, if this was the last time, what would I take away with this? This would give you a more in-depth reality of what you're feeling about the particular experience. हर एक last को हम notice नहीं कर पाते and it's completely normal. You remember the last time you played with your childhood toy that you really valued a lot to yourself. You remember the last time you read your children's novel? I remember जब मैं छोटा था एक चंपक नाम की कॉमिक आती थी जो मैं सर्दियों में अपनी दादी के साथ पढ़ा करता था. सर्दियों की छुट्टियां पड़ती थी हम स्कूल में 2 महीने की. उस टाइम पे मैं अपनी दादी के साथ पढ़ा करता था वो. And I still don't remember the last time I read it. But I just stopped reading them. I've never even touched them in like years. A lot of people have to deal with the reality of the loss, with unfortunate circumstances. Maybe it's the last time they have dinner with their family members. It's the last time they hug their friends. But you don't need to feel guilty or have regrets for yourself. I'll tell you why. Create something called the Lasts Archive. Lasts Archive basically, तुम कोई भी तुमको लगे कि ये तुम्हारा अगर फाइनल मोमेंट हो सकता है, तुम उसको लिख लो. You take a picture of the moment and something so that at least you have a bit of closure. Lasts aren't really scary. They're extremely powerful. They give you the power to enjoy the moment that you're living right now to the fullest, because you know it's not going to last forever. Have a kind of a reverse mental countdown with them. What do I mean by that? If this is the final moment that I have with them, these are the final last 10 moments left with my friend, these are the final 50 moments, 50 messages I can send to my mom, This will help you be more authentic, more natural, and help you achieve it better. Also, kill any regret that you have later on. Use this mental method to make your life more enjoyable and happening, especially relationships और hobbies के बारे में. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि I wish मैंने उस moment को ज़्यादा enjoy किया होता. But instead of doing that, तुम इस regret को अपनी energy बना सकते हो. Pick up a pen and paper और एक simple सी चीज़ लिखो. Top 5 lasts I don't want to regret. It can be anything. जब भी मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ लास्ट बार ट्रिप पे जाऊँ, it has to be the most memorable thing that I ever have. जब भी मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ ट्रिप पे जाऊँ, अपने कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स के साथ, जो कि लास्ट ट्रिप हो, I want that to be as memorable as possible. Whenever you have a list of things in your mind that you know that you don't want to regret, it's insane how powerful this method is. जब तुम बार बार कॉन्शियसली सोचोगे तुमको कौन सा regret नहीं चाहिए, you're going to be a more present, happening and fun person. This is the beauty of life. हमें नहीं पता कब कौन सा moment हमारे लिए last हो जाए. So it's really important to put a conscious effort into enjoying your life to the fullest, living every moment to its full potential, and realizing that even if this is the last moment I'm ever living, I'm living it to the best. तो अगली बार तुम अपने दोस्तों के साथ ग्रुप पे बैठे हो, you're laughing, enjoying yourself, तुम किसी ट्रिप पे गए हो, treat it like it could be your last. Because maybe it is. If you want to reflect on these ideas a bit more, I have a view journal that I am currently making. It's up for pre-sale right now. Top link in the description.